Hey, what's going on, guys? Sno Auto here, where winter's snow problem. Now in today's video, I'm going to be just doing kind of a bit of a product review. I've got a heads-up display here for the car. Something kind of put on top of the dash around here-ish. Just plugs into the port on the bottom of the dash. So we're going to jump right into installation after I open up this box. See what we got in here. So kind of one of those double boxes, and in here we got, I'm gonna guess this is our power cord. As you can see, it's gonna plug in, I forget the exact name of the switch, but I will put it down in the description, of course. Yeah, we go plug this in down there. Then we've got ourselves a nice long cord that's tangled. We're gonna have that reach up to the dash, because here is our unit. Now this can actually display quite a few different things at once, so I'm happy to actually have something like this, because having it up here instead of having to look down there, I think will be a lot better. I could even just kind of put it off to the side to display things that I couldn't see here. Oh, okay. I've also got a little thing here, can suction it to the window, so you can have it on the left or the right. Doesn't exactly have to be right in the middle on the dash or anything. Oh, okay. A little plastic pry bar. I'm gonna guess that's in case you have to get under anything or pop out a panel to get to the spot we're gonna install this in. A screwdriver. Kind of cute and small. And then, last but not least, we've got a little instruction manual. So, hopefully this install goes well, and we will be installing this in a second. Alright guys, so it may be a bit dark and a bit hard to see. I actually have to bend and contort myself to see. All this is a simple plug into your OBD2. That was what I was thinking, so you just take that and stick that in there. And then, quick switch here. So here we have the input. Just gonna plug this in here. Okay, so it clicked. And, okay, so we're being shown battery voltage right now. Let's see. I want to say, let's look on the back. Okay, cool. So we can use these to kind of cycle through. All right, guys, so I am back. Now what I've done is I've taken the wire. I'm gonna need to tuck it a bit more. But what I've done is I've tucked it up and through some body panels for a bit more of a cleaner look. Fortunately, the wire across the dash is going to stay, but I have actually got the device installed, and to get everything to show up, just hit a button, and boom, there we go. Looks a little weird on the GoPro, so I will try showing this on the phone once I start going through everything else. So guys, with this, unfortunately it's flashing. This is more convenient than the camera, but comes with like a bunch of different displays. So if you want to change it up, you could show like everything, kind of like just numbers. You have just like a simple speedometer here. There is this, whatever that is, I honestly don't know. We've got the source speedometer, this one. It's all kind of just a preference thing. Then you can change down here whatever you want it to be, so you can just kind of go through these. And just, so for me, I would want to see, let's see, as we go through everything. Say I want to see my RPMs, then I can choose what I, well, And then up here, okay, let's go RPMs up there. Then let's say I want to see my oil temperature. You can see it right there, along with the RPMs. And let's give the car a start. And you just saw your RPMs go up, down. The oil temperature staying roughly the same. So if I give it a quick rev, you see the RPMs just shoot up, and this actually works really nice. And I bet this will look so nice at night. So I am going to try and figure something else out so I can show this at night, because it will look so much better at night. So as you can see, guys, this looks a lot better at night. Just being able to see everything lit up like this, compared to if we move down to the dash, this sort of dimly lit cluster, which, yeah, if I'm being honest, I kind of prefer this because I can see the RPMs and numbers, not needing to look down there, and I will eventually be changing everything around so I can see a bunch of different things. But yeah, I definitely think it looks better at night. So guys, hope you all enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, hit that bell to subscribe. This is Sno Auto, signing off. Peace!